Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a really important question for all you fellow content creators out there. I want you to be honest with me. What do you actually find more frustrating to deal with during your workday? Is it the effort of filming long-form content? Or is it the absolute soul-crushing process of trying to turn those long videos into a stack of attention-grabbing shorts for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts? Seriously, which one of those tasks makes you dread opening up your editing timeline every single time you sit down? For almost every creator I talk to, that dreaded repurposing grind is the real headache that stops progress dead in its tracks. You see, producing long-form content is one thing, but chopping it up into 10 or 15 individual snackable clips that actually perform well is a completely different beast entirely. Now, just imagine this scenario for a second. You upload your long video, and an AI not only slices it into perfect short clips for you, but it also hunts down the biggest punchlines, automatically adds captions that perfectly fit the aesthetic vibe, highlights the absolute best moments, and even schedules everything for you. It honestly sounds like a complete dream, right? Like a superpower for your content workflow? That is exactly the kind of solution that Vizard brings to the table for modern creators. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Vizard does, who should actually be using it, and how it stacks up against other tools. I'll cover the popular tools you have probably heard of, and finally, give you my honest verdict on whether it is actually worth paying for. If you make content regularly and absolutely hate spending hours editing your long videos into shorts, stick around because this is for you. Quick intro for the new folks. I am Shar, and I cover AI tools, maker workflows, and simple ways for creators to get more done without burning out. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now because I post videos just like this one every single week. So what exactly is Vizard at its core? Well, it is an AI-driven repurposing tool designed to take those long-form videos and turn them into ready-to-post short-form content. But don't be fooled, it is not just a basic clipper tool. It is built specifically to spot the moments that are likely to actually perform. The aha moments, the jokes, and the challenge lines. It outputs vertical, platform-optimized clips with those trendy captions and a visual format that feels native to TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Beyond just editing, Vizard adds essential tools to manage and publish those clips across various platforms so you aren't juggling dashboards. Let me get a bit more concrete on the actual workflow here. You upload a long episode, like a 20-minute talk, interview, or tutorial, and Vizard analyzes it for high engagement segments. It auto-generates a handful of short clips, complete with caption styles, punch-in zooms, and suggested hooks that draw people in. It even scores clips for their virality potential, so you don't have to play guessing games about which one to post first. The scheduling side is where Vizard really pulls ahead for busy creators. Tell it how often you want to post, and Vizard will auto-schedule everything so your channel stays active while you focus on new work. Who is this actually for? The short answer is anyone who regularly creates long-form content and wants to grow without hiring an expensive editor. YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, online educators, and course creators will all find massive value here. If you are batching long videos and want to multiply your reach, Vizard makes that process exponentially smoother. And if you are newer to AI tools, do not worry. The user interface is very straightforward and easy to navigate. You upload your file, wait for processing, review, tweak the captions or timing if you want, and then publish or schedule. Okay, I know exactly what you are thinking, but don't other tools do this exact same thing? Yes, there are a few popular options that do a similar job, but here's where Vizard really stands out from the pack. It combines smart clip selection with built-in scheduling and a content calendar, which is a massive upgrade over basic editors. A lot of competitors give you the clips, but then you still have to manually download, upload, and schedule across platforms yourself. Vizard's scheduling and calendar features close that gap so you can plan your month, move a clip, and push content live on a cadence you choose. Now let's be honest about the common pain points with other editing tools on the market. Many free plans put a giant, ugly watermark on your exports, which looks incredibly unprofessional if you are posting for an audience. Some tools lock their best features, like virality scoring or high-quality exports, behind higher, more expensive tiers. Speed and quality vary too. Pre-processing queues are often slow, and the clipping logic sometimes misses the emotional beats entirely. Vizard addresses these problems by offering clean, watermark-free outputs on paid tiers and faster processing times. You can still test it for free, but if you want consistent, client-ready output, a paid plan is what actually gets you there. Let me walk you through a real example from my own workflow to show you the difference. I uploaded a 15-minute explainer episode, and Vizard returned 7 clips that I could honestly see doing well on Reels. There were funny throwaway lines, a concise tip that made for a perfect hook, and a short Q&A moment that worked as a standalone clip. Some of those moments I hadn't even realized would land that well until I saw them cut down, captioned, and ready to post. That is the advantage of an AI that is optimized for attention. It sees the structural highlights better than you do when you are in the weeds. There are several feature highlights worth calling out specifically. First, the auto editing for viral clips. It doesn't just make random cuts, it looks for pacing, emphasis, and natural punchlines. Second, the auto schedule feature. Set how often you want content posted and it will queue and publish clips across platforms automatically. Third, the content calendar. You can plan, edit, and publish from one place without having to jump between different platforms. Fourth, subtitle and caption styling. These are auto-generated with customizable styles and emoji support so they match your brand. And fifth, smart zoom and face tracking. This makes horizontal footage feel totally native when cropped to vertical. It adds that social media native punch even if your original video was filmed for a widescreen YouTube format. Finally, there is multilingual support, so creators who work in non-English audio can benefit just as much as anyone else. Let's talk money briefly because I know that is a major factor for everyone. The free plan is great to test the tools, and Vizard offers a tier that lets you try out the core workflow. But like most freemium tools, the free tier is limited in monthly minutes or specific feature sets. For regular creators, paying for a tier that removes watermarks and unlocks scheduling features usually makes a ton of sense. Compared to competitors that keep essential features locked behind enterprise tiers, Vizard's pricing is quite creator-friendly. So is it worth paying for? Let's break it down practically. Yes, if you publish long-form weekly and want to scale your reach, it saves hours every single week. Yes, if you want automated posting so your channel has consistent activity without you having to manually upload every time. Maybe not if you only post once a month or if you prefer total manual control over every single frame. And if you already have a reliable editor or a full team, you might not need this kind of automation. If you only need occasional clips and can tolerate a watermark, the free tier will absolutely do the job for light use. Here are some tips to get the most out of Vizard. Always start with high-energy content for the best AI results. Trim out the dead air and long housekeeping intros before you upload. It makes processing faster and saves your monthly limits. Always proof your captions because AI subtitles are good, but quick edits prevent awkward typos from getting burned into your content. Experiment with thumbnails and titles for each clip. Don't treat every clip like it will go viral without some testing. And use the virality ranking as a guide, not gospel. Post your top scoring clips first, but keep testing things out. Before I wrap up, I want to say this plainly. Vizard isn't perfect, but it is one of the most practical time savers I have used. It is fast, it is smart, and it reduces the pain of turning long videos into dozens of shorts significantly. If you want to work smarter and not harder, especially if you are trying to grow across multiple platforms, Vizard is worth trying. Start with the free tier to see how it fits your workflow and whether it gives you professional-looking clips. And if you are managing multiple channels, the scheduling features really are game changers for your productivity. Alright, that is my take. Have you tried Vizard or something similar? Drop a comment and tell me what tool you use and what you liked or hated about it. If you want a deeper comparison between Vizard and specific alternatives, let me know and I will make a follow-up. If this helped, hit like, share with a creator friend, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of creator tools. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.